my god, it's a dream come true. Welcome to Monaco. When you're having a good day, it means bad day. In a way. Hi. That looked very good. Filipino gang gang. Hi guys, it's me, Lady Kitten. So today we are on our way going to Monaco, and of course, aura-aura muna tayo dito kasi 1 hour yung train namin papuntang Monaco, and here we are. Dito sa Monaco, guys, ito yung pinakasikat sa kanila. This is the Monte Carlo Casino. And sobrang excited ako because this is my dream to see the Southern France, the French Riviera, the Côte d'Azur of France. So this is one of my dreams to be here in Monte Carlo, Monaco. And we just came here only half day. And ayan, grabe nakikita ko lang to sa Instagram, pero ngayon I'm here. So pumunta kami sa likod, guys. Hindi na kami pumasok kasi ayoko din naman mag-gambling because I'm not good at that. So ayan, aura-aura lang. So this is the back of the casino. Grabe, sobrang ganda. Parang gusto ko lang tumira dito pero sobrang mahal. Char! So, half day lang kami dito sa Monaco and we need to go back to Cannes kasi doon talaga kami nakatira, guys. And it's very, very nice in here. Maliit lang ang Monaco, pwede nyo ikutin yan. Pero kasi syempre, mahilig kami sa video. Ayan, kahit mainit, go na go. So, this is Monaco. This is the back of the casino and we will gonna walk going to the port. And kumain lang kami doon konti and we went back to Cannes, pero nag-Zara muna kami. Zara is live. So, we need to go back to Cannes because we're going out. This is my outfit for tonight. Sobrang pagod ko na sa biyahe. Pero go pa rin ang lola mo! Day 3 ends here. So it was so lovely day, so lovely night. See you for my next vlog. Mwah.